Everyone, so welcome back to EVNG part 5, how to use the EVNG part 5. So if you see, this is a CLI of the router. We open here, we need to write here no. So I will write here no and press enter. Then the router will boot up, and it will take some time. After that we can do the configuration. So this is the router. If you see, router is booting up and you need to wait some time. Then after that you can check, you have the command prompt. You can see here the CLI prompt of the router. I can go in the enable mode by writing the EN, and if I want to go in the global configuration, I will write in the config T. Then if I want to change the name of the router, I can write host name R1. So if you see router name, I change here. Okay, so this lab I am doing in the EVNG. So this way you can do. If you want to check the IP address, you can write show IP, like this, show IP interface brief. Okay, you can do this way.